So let's look at the gut microbiome. Inside your GI tract are trillions of microorganisms. These include bacteria, fungi, and viruses. And these kind of microorganisms play a crucial role inside your GI tract. And in fact, the actual relationship between the gut microbiome and your GI tract and its impact on your human body is what we call the gut health. In today's video, I want to share with you some importance of the gut microbiome inside your GI tract. The first thing is they help strengthen your immune system. Studies show that 70% of your body's immunity is directly linked with your gut health. And it is this gut microbiome that helps with the immunity. This is because the good bacteria always limits the growth of the bad bacteria, reducing the risk of infection. And once the risk of infection is being reduced, it helps stabilize your immunity. The second thing is that they help support your body's digestion and absorption of nutrients. This is because this gut microbiome helps break down fiber, which will be absorbed for your body to be utilized. The third thing is they help control weight and metabolism. One thing you need to know is that it is this gut microbiome that decide on whether your body is going to burn your food or store them as fats. You are not just what you eat. However, you are what the gut bacteria or the microbiome decide on the food you have eaten. So this means that when these gut microbiome are not in good shape, your body will tend to store a lot of the food you have eaten as fats, and that will lead to abnormal weight gain, predisposing you to obesity. This is what your gut microbiome needs from you. You need to eat healthy meal by including a lot of plant-based food inside your diet. Now, these plant-based food include fruits and vegetables, legumes, these cereals, and grains. In fact, food contain a lot of high fiber. And your gut microbiome needs, they love this kind of food because it is natural. And once you eat this kind of food, they intend to break this kind of food down in order for your body to utilize all this food for you to get the needed accord. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.